So the OnePlus Nord 6. In this video, we're going to discuss about this mobile. First of all, if we talk about this mobile's display, this mobile is going to come with a 6.83 inches of huge display, and it is going to be a fluid AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate support, and it supports HDR10 plus. And this mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, which is a obviously a kind of flagship processor. This mobile is going to come with a UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types, not the PC variants, but these are also good. And when we talk about the memory variants, mostly this mobile will be available in 3 variants. 8GB RAM, 128, 8GB RAM, 256, and 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variants. So yeah, and when we talk about this mobile's cameras, this mobile is coming with the dual cameras at the back side, where you can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which can also be used as a portrait camera, obviously. And for the front, this mobile is also going to come with the 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. With the back camera, we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, and also with the front camera, we can do the same, not the 8K super high recordings like that. When we talk about this mobile's battery, to power up this beast mobile with the bigger display, this mobile is coming with a huge, enormous battery that is a 7500 milliamp of battery. And it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, but there is no wireless charging, so that's the thing we need to. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like operating system, this mobile out of the box comes with the Android version 16 out of the box with the Oxygen OS 16, which is the latest operating system right now for the OnePlus mobiles. And obviously there is no Hasselblad branding or Hasselblad tuning for this mobile, but they were using something called as they are using harmonic engine to boost their images. And when we talk about this mobile's physical aspects, like this mobile comes with the speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile comes with the front and back glasses. The body is like a polycarbonate body. And when we talk about this mobile's other features like connectivity, this mobile comes with almost 15 plus 5G bands. This mobile also comes with the latest connectivity features such as Wi-Fi 7, tri-band support, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. And obviously this mobile, when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the charger, cable, TPU case, and also SIM reader tool and quick start guides and stuff like that, included in the box of the mobile itself. When we talk about the release date, this mobile is going to release soonly in India. And when we talk about the price, there are news till now that this mobile might release with the price tag of like 39,999, that is almost 40,000 rupees, to 46,000 rupees, in between that price range for the base variant. So if this mobile releases at that price range, that it could be better mobile, but we need to look and we have to see which is the best at that price range at that time of release. So that's for the video. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. That's the important thing.